Hello everyone, in this video I am going to give fee details of ACCA knowledge level classes in NGS Professional Academy. Generally, we conduct classes in two packages. 1. Live and recorded classes. 2. Recorded classes. First I will give you details of our live and recorded classes. Fee for the class is Rs 21,000. Which includes live classes for 4 days a week, that is Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Latest study kit, as well as exam kit, and access to recorded classes until you clear the exam. Now let us discuss the recorded classes. The structure of these classes is quite different. Fee for these classes is just Rs 3,999. Yes, you heard it right, it is Rs 3,999 only. To join the recorded classes you just need to subscribe our channel and click join button available beside subscribe button, and pay directly to get access to our latest recorded classes. Thank you for watching. For more videos about ACCA please like and subscribe to our channel. To inquire about our ACCA classes, please drop a message on WhatsApp to the given number.